Hey guys, Matt here again. We're gonna check out the HyperX Quadcast microphone the last time. So it's gonna be like a 6-month review. So check it out. But before we go to the video, check me out on Twitch, guys. I'm streaming there as often as I can, so check me out there. And of course, everyone is welcome. So we play some games there, talk, have fun, play with each other. It's awesome. So join the Twitch. And of course, if you like this video, thumbs up, give me a comment down below, because I really like when you guys do that. And subscribe to the channel. Help me reach partner. So that's my goal, so help me do that. Thank you so much. Let's go to the video. So, the HyperX Quadcast of the 6 months. So, we're gonna go through some stuff. I've routed some down on the screen here, so we're gonna talk about. But so far, I like it. I really recommend it. I've done 2 videos before with it, some setting videos, and this one is more kind of recommended to you after 6 months of use, kind of every day. For streaming, YouTube, I use it for everything. So we're gonna check that out. So the first thing is, can I recommend the HyperX Quadcast of the 6 months of use? And yeah, I can do that. It's holding up, no bends, the touch is still working. You've touched, like, do you see, guys see that? We can zoom in there. And the only thing I kind of added to this, it's actually the cover here. You guys see here. I'm gonna have a picture of that. And that's more for the breathing, because the only thing I don't really like with it, we're going to talk about it, it's the S sound, really. It's not really like the S. I don't know why. Maybe my setting is wrong or something like that, but we're going to talk about that. The other thing is, if I have some problems with HyperX Quadcast under 6 months. No, not really. Of course, I maybe have a good example, like no problems. Nothing breaks, everything is working, all the buttons down behind here, I don't really use all the things. The touch works for the mute, and no, not really. So it's 10 over 10. Actually, for $100, you get a really solid microphone. So, really good. The next thing is, what is it I like with it? Like I said before, love the red. The red is like my thing, right? Everything is red, like the keyboard, the Xbox, the computer, my desktop, everything is red, right? And my streams are all, I often always have red. I don't know why, but I love the color, okay? But what I like with it, it feels streaming. If you see like this, it's red, it's cool. The design of it, it's really cool looking microphone. It is. It looks really like I'm a streamer. I'm a streamer, dude. Look at my microphone. Kind of like that. So I like it. Really good. I think the third thing is what I don't like with it. And this one is really hard. But we're gonna talk about it a bit. It's not really a big thing maybe, but after 6 months, you have counted some problems, maybe? I don't know. But some is the microphone take up a lot of sound. A lot of sound. So if you have cars outside, maybe your parents, kids, dogs, like the keyboard is kind of okay though. But when I'm talking, they take up so much sound, this microphone. And that it's too much. So that's a really downside, I think. But it of course depends on the setting, right? So I kind of like to have the microphone away from me. I don't want it in the way when I'm playing or streaming like that. The only thing I want to do the video right now, that's kind of this, regular. So that's a major thing I don't like with it. And the S sound, like tss, it feels like it's really take the S really badly. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I don't have anyone who really complained on it, but when I watch myself, when I'm editing and stuff like that, I don't really like the S sound. And one more thing, the last thing that I don't like with HyperX Quadcast, it's actually, it cuts sometimes. And I don't like that. When you're a YouTuber like I am, and streamer and so on, you don't want the microphone to cut. And it do that sometimes, and it's weird. So, but except I can like it anyway. It's really good. So, except those three things, it's kind of good. The fifth thing, it's actually the settings. And I have some settings out there, guys. I have actually two. The first one is, I think a lot of you guys liked. The second one is, I think you guys liked that also, actually. I got some really good responses of those two. So thank you so much. Appreciate it, support, guys. Thank you so much. But I think the settings, it's kinda standard for a microphone. This is actually my first microphone, except the microphone on the headset. But I think it's kind of standard. And I'm not the pro at microphones at all. But so far, you guys like the videos, and it kind of works, right? So, except I think it's some tweaking you do with this microphone. It's standard, it's like taking up so much sound and stuff, so you kind of need to tweak it. So except that, it's, yeah, some settings works really great. So check out those videos up here, guys. Check those out. Okay. Go for it. So the last thing we're gonna talk about is actually, can I recommend this? You. Maybe you have one. Maybe you want one. And I know lots of streamers actually have this. And I know some have a bad setting, if you can say it like that. And of course it depends on the setting, right? You kind of need to set it up correctly. But can I recommend it? Yeah, I can recommend it. 10 over 10. It's, for the first thing, it's kind of cheap. Not really cheap either. It's $100-ish. So for that, the money you get, invest. Yeah, it's worth it. Like, having some other microphones out there is really expensive. You don't really need that. So yeah, and the functions they have, like all the function works. It's a really good start streaming microphone, and I can really recommend it to you. So if you want to start streaming, do YouTube, do something. Of course, the headset microphone works, but it's a big jump to go to this. And of course, it's a big jump to go to studio microphone after this. But I like it. I can recommend it to you. So if you want one, check some more reviews out there, buy one, because it's really good. And I love the design, so yeah. So, and yeah, I think that is everything. So if you're interested, check my setting videos for this microphone. If you have one, try it out. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But if you like it, give me a comment down below and a like, of course. And of course, I want you to like this video. Kind of say 100 likes, is that okay? Hopefully we can reach that, maybe, you never know. Give me a comment, what do you think about the microphone, and what do you like with it and don't like with it. I want to read everything. It's so fun to read, you guys. And subscribe to the channel and check me out on the Twitch also. I have both here. Thank you from me, and I hope you have a good Easter, and see you in the next video. MaDRock out. Have a good, guys.